Tired of digging through Jira menus to find your goals? In 30 seconds, I'll show you how to pin it to your navigation bar. We'll open your project, click the plus icon, select Goals, and add it to navigation. Let's go. So the first thing you need to do is open your Jira account. Go ahead and log in if you haven't already. I'm working from my own Jira dashboard here, and this is exactly the same setup you'll see on yours. Once you're in, you're looking at your main project list and recent boards.
Now, you might be tempted to start clicking around in your board view trying to find goals, but trust me, we're going to save you that headache in just a couple of clicks. Now, open your Jira project from the left side panel. You'll see a list of all your projects there. Just click on the one where you want goals to show up. For me, that's my IT project. This is important because goals are tied to a specific project, not your entire Jira instance. So if you have multiple projects, you'll need to repeat this for each one.
But the good news is, once you do it once, the process is exactly the same every time. Next, click the plus icon at the top of your project view. It's right there in the navigation bar, usually on the far right of the tabs, like Backlog, Board, and Timeline. That little plus sign is your gateway to adding anything new. Views, reports, you name it. I've seen people miss this icon because they're looking for a big button or a menu labeled Add View. But nope, it's that small plus. Click it. From the dropdown, select Goals. Now, you might see a list of options here, and it can be a little overwhelming if you're not sure what you're looking for. But just scroll down or look for the section labeled Views. Goals will be in there. Click on it. This tells Jira that you want goals to be one of the main tabs you can jump to. It doesn't pin it permanently yet, but we're almost there. Finally, click Add to Navigation to pin it. This is the step that locks it in. Once you do this, goals will appear as a tab right alongside your backlog and board views. And here's the really important part. You only have to do this once per project. From now on, every time you open that project, goals will be one click away in your navigation bar. No more digging through menus or searching for it. And that's it. You're done. Now, every time you open that project, goals is right there in your navigation bar. One click and you're in. No more hunting, no more digging through menus. I use this in my own projects every single day, and it's one of those small tweaks that saves you a surprising amount of time over the course of a week. If this helped you out, give the video a like. And if you want more Jira tips just like this one, subscribe to the channel. I've got a ton of other tricks that'll make your workflow smoother, and I'd love to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.